Short bitten nails are not the easiest one to work with, but I will show you how to transform it into this with acrylic. If interested, keep watching. We have a typical nail biter's nails here. She was biting them all her life, and it's not really possible to fit the form here as they're really short, and I don't want to use a tip, so I will show you a different way how to fix them. First, I will remove the surface shine with 180 grit file. Make sure you remove it all because sometimes it might be tricky with such nails. Remove the dust, apply dehydrator and non-acid primer. I'm using Attract by NSI, and then I will take a bead of Cover Pink. Take a look how am I holding her thumb with my left hand. I'm pushing back all the walls, and I'm basically creating a new free edge without the form yet, and I'm holding and pushing back all the skin until the acrylic will be completely cured. So now it's cured, and I carefully separate the skin from the product, and now we can fit the form. It's not hard anymore as we created a new free edge, so make sure you fit it right, and then we will start the application. And we started the regular way, like there is no product yet on the nail. So first I create the free edge, I apply bead and create a square shape. As our nail beds were extremely short, it is not recommended to do a long nail, so we are going to do them rather short, and we decided to do like a soft square. So with the whole body of my brush, I create the free edge. Then I place another bead to build the apex. This is the thickest part of our nail. Stretch it down a little bit more. Another one right here near the cuticle. As the nail beds are really short, you need to be careful and do not apply the product too close to the skin. Now we'll take a look and check. We need to add a small bead right here, stretch it, and another one near the cuticle. And one more right here. I try to do my best with the brush at all times. Okay, seems like we're done here, and after a couple minutes we can carefully remove the form and very carefully slightly pinch it. Do not too much. And then I will leave a plastic clamp for a couple minutes, and now it's time for filing. I will file the free edge, the shape, and the surface as well. Currently I'm using 150 grit endurance files. By the way, those are my favorite files. They are half moon shape, so the rounded side is really good for the cuticle and another straight side is good for shaping. So make sure you file all the surface, and it's always better to apply acrylic in such way that you won't need to file a lot. That's what I'm trying to do. So then I'm filing the sidewalls with 180 grit because the skin there is rather sensitive. And once we're done, I switch to the buffer. I'm using 220 grit buffer here. Buff all the surface including cuticle area and sidewalls area. And then we only need to remove all the dust and apply the color. I did the cuticle care at the beginning, but in such cases you can also do it after product application. So now I apply the first layer of gel polish and will cure it for 1 minute in LED lamp, and then apply the second layer, which can be slightly thicker. We really enjoyed the part when this client was choosing the color because she said I could never afford dark or bright colors because of my nail beds, and now like I can finally choose a color of my dreams. So then we sealed it with a top coat, and this is what we had, and this is how we fixed this short bitten nail. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have many nail biters among your clients and what product do you use to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing as I post transformations just like this one, nail art tutorials and other tricks every week. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.